Hey everyone, welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Friday, the 9th of June, 2023. I hope you are having a fantastic trading day today. As we get started, keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find a candidate or a strategy that you like, make sure that it fits your own personal risk profile or risk tolerance before ever taking on that trade. All right. So with that, let's go ahead and start off with our candidates from last week. So we had MAR. We did this one on the 6th for the 7th. So the trading day of the 7th was yesterday. And what happened? We opened up beautiful yesterday. We had a little bit, tiny move to the downside on the open. We ran into the 181.55. We failed. Boom chakalaka, down to 177. You would have been out about 178 and a quarter, half, somewhere around there. Great trade, phenomenal trade, right? So that's number one in the books. Then we've got mRNA, Moderna, right? Moderna was a no trade, right? Did not get enough of a move for us, so no trade was taken off of that fib line, so nothing in there, right? Last was Microsoft. Let's see, Microsoft, there we go. All right, so right here, what happened? We gapped down. We ran right into the 334.17, and we failed. I even saw that someone put a comment on the video that they were up about $10. They listed the in and out prices. They were about $10 on this trade. Man, I hope you rocked on this one because it was phenomenal. It was a great, great trading setup. All right, so that was the three from last update. Now for today, these are for the 9. DHR. Right, these switchback trades are absolutely amazing, folks. All right, market just closed down. All right, let's go get a little bit of a bigger picture here. All right, so I'm going to bring this in a little bit now, zoomed in on a little bit. And we closed right near the 234.82. We've got a $10 move inside of here, so we're going to need to put in a Fibit in here, which means we're going to add in a negative 136. We already have. We're going to add the 118. Perfect. All right. So if we get the bounce off the 234.82, the move to the upside, 243 is resistance. Right about 242 is target. If we break to the downside, retest and fail, 225.5 is support. Somewhere up above that, 226.5, 7, 7.5, somewhere in that range, you're going to take your exit right there. Great opportunity on DHR, right? That's number one. MasterCard, MA. They have been on our list before, I believe. So as we look at MasterCard, where are we? We moved down a little bit. We were up a little bit higher just a few minutes ago. We pulled back, so we're down to that 367.5. Retest, fail, 362.25 is support, so right about 363, 363.5. Somewhere in there is going to be your target. If we break to the upside, we don't have a lot of room to go up there. 372 is resistance. Maybe 374. So, 373. I would be a little cautious on the upside, but if you can get the downside move, I like it a lot. All right, last is ZTS. Number 3. Right, we just closed barely above. Guys, we moved yesterday full width of the Fibonacci. I love that part. We're in a true bearish bias right now. I'm really excited about that. Break the 63.5, retest and drop, 159.07 is support, so right about 160 is going to be our target. Move back to the 163.5 and bounce, and we're looking at about 167.25 is going to be my resistance, so 166 or so. Not as much move on the upside for this one, all right? And keep in mind, folks, that if you do like what you see here, make sure you are following along. Let me just grab it over here. Make sure you're following along with what we do here. Subscribe. Give us a comment. Thumbs up. Go ahead and ring that bell so you get notified of all the content that we put out there on YouTube. And, of course, check out some of the others that we've got there as well. With that, make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, everybody. I will see you at our next update. Bye for now.